visiting family this holiday, so we're unboxing this from the workshop. What's up everyone, Tech Mindset here. In today's video, we're unboxing the limited edition white Steam Deck. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Aside from the limited edition white color, I really wanted this Steam Deck for the OLED panel. After I've been using my Alienware gaming monitor, it's really nice to have an HDR OLED panel on the go. The difference in colors between the OLED and the LCD panels are just night and day. And I get the benefit of the anti-reflective coating on the OLED model. The limited edition white Steam Deck is similar to the 1TB black OLED model. And compared to my model, I'm really looking forward to the extra battery life I can get out of this one. One of the first differences that we see is that the charging cable is longer than the LCD model. Something else is that there's a little pouch to put your charging cable in. Little valve logo here on the zipper. I'm gonna cut that off so I can get this thing open. I was pleasantly surprised to see the Velcro strap. I've had a couple of close calls on my Steam Deck with the case being unzipped and it almost falling out, so it's nice to have that Velcro.
Oh yeah, look at that.
You can also see right away with the reflection of the ceiling light how it looks reduced in glare. It still has volume, 3.5mm audio, power button, and USB-C. I think I would have preferred the accents to be black instead of the gray. I think that would have looked a little slicker to me. There's also a cleaning cloth inside the case. Here are the two models side by side. Can't really see it here, but the OLED screen is bigger than the LCD screen. You can also see right away the difference between the light reflection with the anti-glare and the non-anti-glare screen. With the screens on side by side, you can also see the 90Hz panel on the OLED model compared to the 60 on the LCD. It also feels more responsive to touch compared to the LCD model.
Ooh.
All in all, pretty cool. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. If you have other ideas for videos, or anything you'd like to see me try on this new Steam Deck, be sure to leave a comment below. That's all for this one, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.